The 1969 Dodge Charger stands as the pinnacle of the American muscle car era. Part of the second generation, it introduced the iconic split-grille design and the Coke bottle silhouette that defined the late 60s automotive landscape. Built for raw performance, it featured legendary engine options like the 440 Magnum and the 426 Hemi V8. With over 400 horsepower and massive torque, this machine dominated both the NASCAR circuits and the American drag strips. After a complete restoration, this Charger is back to its original factory standards. From the hideaway headlights to the heavy-duty suspension, every component has been rebuilt to handle modern roads while maintaining its classic power.